There are people who hate Mondays, and there are those who love them because they're happy with their jobs. So today, we're going to show you workers who do their job perfect. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell.
He seems to know very well what he's doing, and has had a long time doing it. Sometimes strength plays a significant role in our lives. I couldn't find an explanation for this. This worker seems relaxed and enjoys his job well. A truly wonderful and unique method of construction. It seems to be a new method of construction. He seems to be a skilled man with extensive experience. I couldn't find an explanation for this. Good work that deserves respect. A truly relaxing clip. This worker who is carving a piece from an ice cube looks creative. These are the men who create masterpieces from melted iron.
Centrifugal casting mold.
be strong and experienced to do things like this. Honestly, it's a very relaxing sight to see this worker cleaning the truck. He seems to be a professional at his job.
Kim?
This employee seems more intelligent and creative, frankly impressive. This expert worker who builds the tennis courts seems to have spent a long time learning how. These two workers appear to have spent a long time mastering this job. He seems creative, frankly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and comment.